Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to delete your Indeed account. If you no longer need your account or want to take a break from job searching, deleting your account is a straightforward process. So let's get started on how to delete your Indeed account. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the options. Now, tap on Account Settings. Look for the option that says Close My Account in red letters. Tap on Close My Account. Provide a reason for deleting your account. Scroll down and tap on Close My Account again to confirm the deletion. And that's how you can delete your Indeed account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.